Hey guys, this is your friend Ashish from Train with Ashish Janiani, and today I want to speak to you about the importance of learning during the lockdown, a golden opportunity where a lot of people have been waiting for a time where they can actually invest it in learning. So today I want to speak to you about what I have personally done in the last few days. Of course, there's a lot of learning that I do because of my profession, but even if I was not a coach and I was not a trainer and I was somebody like you in your profession or as a student, I would encourage you to do what I have done in the last few days besides all the other research that I continue to do. So I made a fresh notepad, alright, and I just want to show it to you. You may not be able to read it, but in the last 5 days, I filled out about, you can see how many pages am I flipping. I'd say about 20 pages in this small book, and I have created exactly 43 points that I can use in my business. So let me give you an example. We coach people like you, professionals like you, to build revenues and to build your personality. That is what we do. I created 43 points, and every time I created a point, I have implemented that point during that particular moment on that day to see how that point gives me value. So I'll give you one example. One of the points told me that you should not compare apples to apples when you are selling your proposition. You should compare apple to oranges. What does that mean? So right now, if I'm going to compare myself to my physical trainings, it's a better comparison to do that versus me comparing myself to some other training institute, because a physical training will cost you a lot of money, it will cost you infrastructure, and an online training will reduce all that cost and will be a better value proposition for you. Now you can do the same thing in your business or profession, but I have 43 points like that just in the last 5 days, which means on an average I've got 8 points a day which I've implemented during that particular day. I have honestly seen a raise in my confidence, a raise in my number of proposals as I speak to you. So I'm a very confident person and I expect a lot of sales to come out of it. So that is what I mean by learning, that you learn and you implement, and you and I wait for time where we can invest and learn, and this is one of the best times to do that. You go out there, learn things, implement them, because this will help you come back stronger after the lockdown. Thank you so much for listening to me today. I will speak to you soon again. Bye-bye.